Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out some of the best construction tools you can get for under $30. Whether you're into DIY or pro-level work, these budget-friendly picks are worth a look. Kolvoii Arm Jack. The Kolvoii labor-saving arm jack is a compact and durable lifting tool priced at $30. It stands 15.6 inches tall with a 0 to 10-inch lifting range and supports up to 260 pounds when used in pairs. Built from stainless steel and aluminum, it features anti-slip rubber pads for added stability. Digital Angle Ruler. The Digital Angle Ruler is a versatile measuring tool priced at $30, combining the functions of a ruler and protractor for precise and accurate measurements. It features a 360-degree measurement range with plus or minus 0.3 degree accuracy, making it ideal for detailed work. A convenient resettable goniometer and lock button allow for stable angle fixation. Laser Distance Measuring Tool. The Laser Distance Measuring Tool, priced at $30, features dual laser heads for simultaneous two-direction measurements, boosting efficiency on complex tasks. With a total range of 393 feet and plus or minus 2 millimeters accuracy, it's ideal for construction, renovations, and layout planning. Built-in functions simplify calculations for area, volume, and distance using Pythagorean formulas, eliminating the need for manual math. Magnetic Pickup Sweeper. The Magnetic Pickup Sweeper by ToolWhiz is a compact and efficient cleaning tool priced at $18. With a 17-inch sweeping width and an 8.8-pound load capacity, it easily collects small ferrous metal objects like nails, bolts, and shavings from garage floors or workshops. 2-in-1 Folding Knife. The 2-in-1 folding knife, priced at $15, functions as both a utility knife and a pocket knife, offering versatility for everyday tasks. It features a quick change mechanism for safe and easy blade replacement and comes with 10 additional SK5 blades. The liner lock design ensures the blade stays securely in place during use, preventing accidental slips. Chalk Line Reel. The Chalk Line Reel, priced at $21, comes as a combo pack with an REXBETI string line and a 4-ounce bottle of REXBETI Blue Chalk. Designed for speed and durability, it features a 6-to-1 gear drive for rewinding 6 times faster than standard reels. The rubber overmold housing provides comfort and grip, while the reinforced handle and 100-foot, 8-strand thick line ensure reliable performance in tough work environments. REXBETI Knee Pads. The REXBETI knee pads, priced at $24, are designed for maximum comfort and protection during tough tasks. They feature extra-thick gel and high-density foam cushioning to reduce knee strain. A strong hook and loop strap combined with a thigh support design ensures a secure fit that stays in place during activities like construction, flooring, roofing, and gardening. WORKPRO Staple Gun. The WORKPRO Staple Gun, priced at $26, is a versatile 6-in-1 tool compatible with 6 types of staples and nails, eliminating the need for multiple staplers. It features a dual power lever for high and low settings, making it suitable for both hard and soft materials like insulation, upholstery, and small fencing. 8-inch Multi-Tool. The 8-inch Multi-Tool, priced at $8, is a professional-grade wire stripper designed to cut, strip, and loop 10 to 22 AWG solid copper or aluminum wires. Made from high-carbon alloy steel, it offers durability and precise performance. Its ergonomic, non-slip rubber handle ensures a firm grip and reduces hand fatigue. Laser Level. The Laser Level, priced at $30, is a high-precision tool ideal for construction, woodworking, and home improvement projects. It delivers accurate, visible laser lines for tasks like tile installation, framing, and cabinet mounting. Featuring a self-leveling function, long-distance projection, and a one-button operation, it's simple to use for both professionals and DIYers. Magnetic Tool Belt. The Magnetic Tool Belt, priced at $26, is a durable and customizable solution for keeping tools organized and within reach. It features adjustable straps fitting waist sizes from 31 to 48 inches and a quick-release buckle for easy wear. With 26 pockets and 3 strong magnetic zones, it securely holds nails, screws, and tools like hammers, screwdrivers, and tape measures. Rechargeable Flashlight. The Spotlight flashlight, priced at $25, delivers an ultra-bright beam of up to 1 million lumens, illuminating distances up to 3,600 feet, ideal for hunting, hiking, fishing, or night work. It features 3 main light modes and 3 side light modes, including a red and blue strobe for emergencies. Powered by a 10,800 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers up to 20 hours of use and can double as a power bank. Digital Angle Finder. The Digital Angle Finder, priced at $17, offers precise 0 to 360-degree measurements for internal, external, and contra angles with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees and a resolution of 0.05 degrees. Users can switch between degrees and minutes for added accuracy. It features 4 large control buttons for functions like hold, reverse angle readout, display flip, and clear readout. 15-inch multifunction demolition tool. The 15-inch multifunction demolition tool, priced at $30, combines several tools into one convenient and durable design. It features a cross-hatched hammer for chiseling or punching through drywall, tile, and plaster, and wood grabber jaws for gripping, bending, and tearing out 2x lumber. A built-in pry bar makes it easy to lift boards, molding, and nail strips, while the closed, beveled nail pullers efficiently extract nails. Cyker Laminate Flooring Tools. The Cyker Laminate Flooring Tools Kit, priced at $25, is a comprehensive solution for efficient and professional flooring installation. It includes a durable tapping block for tight joints, dual-size 2-in-1 spacers with a stable triangle design, and a heavy-duty pull bar made from 45-pound steel with protective padding to prevent floor damage. Mortise Tool. The Mortise Tool, priced at $10, is designed for quick and accurate installation of door latches on 1 3/8 or 1 3/4 inch thick doors. It features a printed guide to assist with material removal, an outline blade for clean and professional cuts, and a guidepost that aligns with a standard 1-inch door edge bore for easy placement. With a preset depth, it ensures precise flush mounting every time, making it ideal for both DIYers and professionals. Door Lock Installation Kit. The Door Lock Installation Kit, priced at $9, provides all the essential tools for easy and precise lock set installation. It includes an adjustable U-type plastic guide template, 1 2 1/8 inch carbon steel hole saws, and an arbor with a drill bit. The durable materials carbon steel and reinforced plastic ensure long-lasting performance. Designed to fit 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 inch thick wood doors, and 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inch back sets, this kit simplifies the process into 4 easy steps, making it perfect for everyday home use and DIY projects. Epoxy Floor Spike Shoes. The Epoxy Floor Spike Shoes, priced at $19, are essential for self-leveling, epoxy flooring, and overlay projects. Designed to prevent footprints and maintain a flawless finish, these fully assembled shoes are ready to use right out of the box and come with a free wrench for easy maintenance. Featuring 13 securely fastened 3/4 inch spikes and anti-slip nylon locking nuts, they ensure safety and stability during application. Hydraulic Crimping Tool. The Hydraulic Crimping Tool, priced at $30, delivers a powerful 10-ton crimping force with a 0.45 inch stroke, suitable for 12 AWG to 20 AWG cables. Ideal for crimping copper, aluminum, and stainless steel, it's perfect for battery cables, welding wires, and terminal lugs. The tool features 9 pairs of precision hexagonal dies, crafted via EDM wire cutting for greater accuracy. SILIGUN. The SILIGUN, priced at $24, is a compact, no-drip caulk gun designed for precise and mess-free sealing. Ideal for latex, silicone, or polyurethane applications, it delivers a clean, uniform bead without the bulk of traditional caulk guns. Its patented design eliminates the rear push rod, allowing easy access to tight spaces and simple storage. Made from durable, lightweight ABS plastic, it's easy to handle and built to last, perfect for home or professional use. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters. Like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite budget tool in the comments. Catch you in the next one.